Maria here from Pushwoosh, and today I'll show you how to send a broadcasting message to all of your user base. So we're here in One-Time Messages tab, and here you will see all the history of sent messages, but this is new account, so we don't have any. So we'll start creating a new message. You have an option to send push notification or email. So today we want to update users about our new show by push notification, but you can also send it by email. This is the copy we prepared before in the Content tab. We save it as a preset, but you can edit it right away. We click Next, and here we see the audience who we want it to send it to. We can send it to a segment, for example, to inactive users, but today we're broadcasting it to all the users. I select the Send to All Users button, and we click Next. Here is the Sending Time tab. You can send it right away. You can select time, a day. Please note that sending time is in the 24 hours format. So if you wanted to send it in the evening, we can choose 2000 hours to send it at 8 p.m. You can choose a custom time zone or a subscriber's time zone. By default, we have subscriber's time zone. You can also choose optimal time to send, which is based on user previous behavior. For example, if a user tends to interact with your messages around midday, this push notification will be sent automatically at this time. And click Next. Here we can preview everything we've selected, and if we don't want to edit anything here, we schedule Send It. And that's it for broadcasting messages. See you next time.